Good afternoon, everyone. It's Miss Amy from Camden Public Library, and it is May, and April showers brought May flowers, and the flowers are just blooming crazy. So we're going to do a 3D paper flower craft. So this is a nice blue for the background, and then I have two different greens. And so I have a green for the stem, which I'm going to cut. So I'm going to go ahead and cut a couple stems because I'm going to have 3 flowers. And these are going to be like lupins or not hydrangeas, but hibiscus, maybe? I don't know what they're called. But, so I'm going to go ahead and cut one of these in half. So I have 1, 2, and 3, like that. Super bright. Okay. And then, so then those are our stems. And then we're going to do some leaves with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this in half and in half again so that I can make some leaves. And what I'm going to do is cut out a nice leaf shape like this. Okay, so now I have 4 leaves. So I'm going to put my leaves down here like this. Ooh, I like it. Very pretty. Okay. Yep, different levels. I think I'm going to cut a little bit off this one. There. Okay, so now they're at 3 different levels. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to build my flowers. So I have a pink, a purple, and a yellow. Okay, and I'm going to put them all together, and I'm going to draw like an oval. I'm just going to draw an oval shape like this because these are a long layered flower, like a lupin, or I don't know, I think it's a hibiscus. Grape hyacinths are another flower that is kind of like this, except they're itty bitty flowers. But this is a fuller, bigger flower. So, but I'm super excited because this is a 3D flower, and I love doing 3D. Okay, so I'm gonna do a yellow and a purple and a pink. Okay, so those are going to be my flowers. Okay, so let's go ahead and get these glued down. Okay, so I'm going to glue those down. Then I have one more part that I'm going to do, and that's going to help layer this flower. Okay, so first one down. Second one down. And it's okay if it like kind of goes off to the side. That is okay. All right, now I'm going to do the leaves. So I've got 1. I'm going to do the side leaves first. 2, like that, and then 2 in the middle. Kind of layering them like that. Oh, I like this. This is coming out good. And then what you can do is use some crayons or some markers to make some distinction or details on to your leaves. Okay, so I have some watercolor crayons. What I'm going to do is kind of go like that. Oh, I love it. Cool. And then, oh yeah. Little. Love it. Like that a lot. Okay, so then I'm going to glue on the flower parts. Remember the tall flower parts. Okay, and so I'm going to go ahead and glue each of these on. And you can have it so that your flower kind of kicks off a little to the side. And this is just the base. This is, I know, because it doesn't really look like a flower. I'm going to have it kind of go off the side of the page a little bit. Like that. Kind of breaks the, oh, green. Oh, well, that's okay. That is because that's okay. It's going to cover that up. Okay, so there's my flowers. And then what I need to do is I'm going to choose another color of pink and yellow and purple to then layer the with strips. So I'm going to use this one, which has yellow and orange. And I'm going to use that for here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be making little rings, little circles. And I don't know how many it's going to take. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these in half. Okay. And then I'm going to go like that. And you can decide. I'm going to do it this way because I want the yellow to show. You can use scrapbook paper. You can use handmade paper. This is two-sided construction paper. So I'm going to go ahead and get all of these done. Okay. And I'm going to do the same thing with strips for the purple and the pink. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we've got all the little tubes. We're going to glue them down to cover up the little yellow. And I'm gluing them down with the folded side already down. Okay, so like that and like that. And there's one of the flowers. I love this. I love this. Love this. Love this. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same thing here, like this. And right there. Make sure that sticks on there. Oh, I like it a lot. And this, so this is scrapbook paper, this is construction paper, and this is wallpaper. And there you have it. Three-dimensional little let's call them lupins. I like lupins, and the lupins will be blooming in June before we know it. Happy flowers. Happy flower day. Happy spring. Miss Amy, happy crafting.